Hey guys, this is Kashish Panchale, aka the Cozy Chick, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna do a draw me a graphic eyeliner challenge. So basically on Instagram I put up like a picture of my eyes and I asked my followers to draw me a beautiful graphic eyeliner, and I was quite impressed with the response on it because there were so many beautiful graphic eyeliners, but unfortunately I could only choose few of them. And yeah, I have chosen 6 of them. I hope I could like complete 6 of them. I really wish I do. And also guys, this video I like basically for the liners I have collaborated with a brand called CG Beauty, and they have like these beautiful twin cake eyeliners. These are water activated eyeliners and it has like 10 grams of product in each like pot. So I guess it's like 5 grams of both the shades. And yeah, I mean, I received their products and they have sent me 7 different colors, which is so amazing. And also one more thing is that so like half of the color, like this one is the neon shade of orange and this is like a pastel orange, which is so cool. Like, I mean, yeah, and of course these are neon shades, so they will shine in UV light. So basically you get like all the 7 shades for 5850. Currently they have a sale going on. These shades like were retailing for 7350, but now it's for 5850, which is like a pretty good deal for so many eyeliners, liquid like water activated eyeliners. And what they say is that it's highly pigmented, smudge proof, water activated, transfer resistant. The color won't fade away until it's removed, very easy to use and apply, and 100% vegan and cruelty free, which is actually like super cool. Like, yeah, I mean, I would personally love to use a vegan and cruelty free product. So yeah, I mean, we have all those colors and I have some amazing graphic eyeliners pictures in my gallery. So yeah, I'm just gonna start making this beautiful eyeliners. Also guys, I've already done my base makeup, so that I'll be able to just create those amazing beautiful graphic eyeliners. So guys, without further ado, let's begin in this video. So guys, I have like 3 brushes over here, eyeliner. These 2 are eyeliner brushes and this one is just a regular paint brush. I have some water and my eyeliners. So the first eyeliner look that we're gonna do is this one. So because it's Pride month, so I thought that why not start with a colorful rainbow graphic liner. So in the picture, like it has like these lines over here, but I'm not quite understanding like how will I get it done. So I'm gonna like add some of my own creativity in it as well. So yeah, I just hope that this will be possible because it looks pretty difficult. And guys, I am very bad in graphic liners, let me tell you that. Like whenever I try doing it, I always ruin my look. So I don't know how this video is going to end up, but yeah, let's just hope that it'll be good. Like, yeah, I don't know. Okay, so first I'm gonna take white eyeliner from this pot and I'm just gonna mark like a outline, if that makes any sense. I'm taking my brush, I'm dipping it in water and I'm gonna swirl it in the pot. And they said that you should get like a very creamy consistency. So yeah, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna first activate the colors like really well. These are like similar to the Krylon aqua paints. Let's just see how this works. Okay, so I think I got the consistency that I want. I'll just swipe it on my hand. Yeah. Oh you guys, this is just like a touch. I'm impressed. because I've made like these sort of like clouds, and I absolutely love the pigmentation. Like, can you all see how pigmented this is? Okay. So now I'm gonna apply the colors. Like, I'm gonna fill in this entire part with the rainbow colors. So the first color is yellow, and I'm taking the yellow shade from the pot. Should I do pastel or neon? I think I'll go for neon colors. Okay, now some orange. So I'm using this orange color, the neon orange, dipping in my brush, activating the colors. Now the next color is pink, so I'm gonna take this pink color. The pink is looking very pretty, although it has like mixed up kind of with the orange, because you know it's quite similar, both of those colors. So that's it, but it's fine. Like, I don't really mind at all, so it's completely okay. Also guys, I've noticed like the white color, normally white eyeliners cracked up really easily, but this white color didn't crack up. Like, I don't know if it's visible or not, but it's beautiful. It hasn't even cracked up a bit. So yeah, that's really great. Now I'm gonna apply some purple. Now the last color is some green color. And we are done with this look. Like, half abhi tak baki hai, because down also I'll have to make something. This is how it's looking. I'm liking it. I'm honestly loving it so much, and also the colors are looking like fabulous. I really like how the colors are visible. And yeah, now we'll do the niche ke part as well. So like, she has created like these teardrops kind of a thing. So white color and some blue color. So finally we are going to use a blue color. Well guys, we are done with the first look, and I'm loving it. I am absolutely in love with this. Let me know what do you guys think about it. And yeah,
I look pretty, honey, I look pretty.
Okay guys, so now I'm gonna remove this eye look and we're gonna jump on to the second look. Okay, so I've done my eye base. Now we will do the second eye look. For the second one, I'm gonna do this one, and I'm very excited to this one because we're gonna use different colors now, black and pink pastel. So yeah, first I'm gonna make like a wingy kind of a thing with the pink pastel. So I'm using this color, the above one, for the pastel eyeliner. I think I did it wrong. Yeah, I did it wrong. I'm 110% sure I did it. Okay, so I've made like this pink eyeliner again with the pastel pink, and now it's looking good. I mean, pink to acha hi ho raha hai. The main part is the black color. So yeah, now we're gonna do the black one. I hope ye acha ho, because I don't know. I think ye acha hoga. Okay, I'll do it.
A few moments later.
I don't like it, guys. I seriously don't like it.
and I think that I'm gonna erase it again, and I'm just gonna remove this black part. मैं वो नहीं कर रही हूँ, and I'm gonna do the lower part. I'm not liking this. Okay guys, so that cross was not happening, so I just made again removed it, and again I made like this normal pink thingy, and now she's drawn like these crosses, so I'm gonna do that below my under eyes. I absolutely love it. Okay, I'm just gonna make like some black lines over here ताकि थोड़ा same लगे. And we are done. So I've applied some eyelashes, and like to match this black part क्योंकि सिर्फ ऊपर pink दिख रहा था, it wasn't looking that good. So you know, to like balance everything, I made like these lines below the pink liner, and I applied some highlighter on my eyelids to just give that little bit of shine. Applied my lashes, and this is how it's looking. I love it. Now we'll do the third look, so I'll just remove this and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so my eyeshadow base is done. It's looking pretty. Now I'm gonna do this look, and it's got like this pastel eyeliner look of rainbow. So we're gonna do that. So first I'm just gonna make like the same pink इसके पहले जो हमने किया था, the same thing I'm gonna do it again with a white liner. So I'm gonna take this shade Kala Khatta. I love the names. So I'm gonna take the shade Kala Khatta orange purple. Okay, it's decent. Now we'll take yellow pastel. This is in the shade Golgappa. The names are like so freaking unique. I love it. Now comes the shade blue, and the name of this shade is Kulfi. So I'm taking the pink pastel. This is in the shade Sugar Candy. Now comes next color, which is a green pastel. It's in the shade Aam Panna. Okay, so now there are these dots, like color wise dots hai, so we'll apply few tiny dots. So I'm gonna quickly do my this eyes, apply some lashes, and I'll be right. So guys, we are done with the third look as well. This is how it's looking. Very pretty. I like it. So yeah, well, now time for the fourth look. Okay guys, so the next look we're gonna do is this one, and I am a little bit scared for this one. I don't know why, but yeah, this is looking very pretty. It has like these pink and blacks and flowers, so I'm actually liking it. I think like just this one eye is looking pretty enough rather than doing it on both of my eyes. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep this one. And I'm gonna apply my lashes and I'll be right back. Now we are finally done with the fourth look. Now we'll come and do the fifth look. Okay guys, so for the fifth look I have done these soap brows because we're gonna do this look, And also like she has specifically noted that she wants soap brows, so I did soap brows. I know I am very bad at soap brows and my brows are looking terrible right now. It's just that I don't really know how to do soap brows and it looks terrible on me. Maybe because I don't know how to do it, but still I tried and I managed to get like some situation thingy on my eyes. So yeah, I'm gonna start the look. So first I'm gonna make like the lines over here, the pink ones and the blue ones are outside. So first I'm gonna start with the pink ones. Okay, so this area is done. Now I'm gonna do like this side. That side is completely blue and it's like attaching itself to this color as well, like white se attach ho raha hai, if I'm not wrong, and it's like this baby thing. Now she has written purple and pink holographic lid, not too intense. So she said that I should apply like a purple and pink holographic glitter. So yeah, I'll do that. Okay guys, so the thing is I don't have like a pink purple holographic eyeshadow, but I have this pink and silver holographic color, this one from the Emrezi palette. I love this a lot. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply this particular shade on my eyelids. So guys, we are done with the fifth look. I can't believe that I'm able to pull off such beautiful graphic liners, because I always thought that I was really bad, with graphic liners especially. But like, after exploring so much out of my comfort zone, I am so happy that I'm able to pull off such beautiful looks. And this is my favorite one. This has to be my favorite one. It's so pretty. It's so freaking pretty. It's so pretty. I love it. I love it a lot. Okay, so now finally the last look. I'm tired now. Like, I'm literally tired, but it's okay, because now we're gonna do the last look, the sixth look. Oh my god, I can't believe I've done 6 freaking eye looks in one day. This is the first time that I've ever done like 6 different looks. But yeah, let's jump on to the final 6th look. I'm gonna remove this. I don't want to remove it because it's so pretty. It's so pretty, but it's fine. We're gonna do the last one. And yeah, so quickly I'm gonna do the last eye look, and I'm gonna remove this, do my eye base right again, and I'll be right back. Finally, we are going to do our last look, the 6th look. Oh my god, I am so tired. I started making this video at 3 p.m. and currently it's 9:30. Oh my god, I'm tired. I'm tired, but my energy is still the same. I mean, it's like I can't get tired doing makeup. It's one of the best things that I love doing so much. Okay, so the final and 5th look, we're gonna do this, a very cutie heart look. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay guys, so the thing is that my storage got full and that's why वीडियो अटक गया था, बट मैंने अभी तक सिर्फ एक ही हार्ट बनाया. थैंकफुली मैंने देख लिया टाइम पे. So this is how I've made like the first heart. It's not the best. I'm gonna complete the entire look and maybe then it will look good. So next I'm gonna use the shade Jalebi, and I'm using this neon orange because I don't have a red one. Okay, so we are done with this side. I'm gonna quickly do this side and I'll be right back. And guys, we are done with the last final look. I am so happy that I was able to pull off this challenge. So this is how the last look is. I like it. It's cute, it's pretty. I made like these white dots and these lines just to like decorate it a little. And also my brain is now not working because it's too late and I'm tired now. But yeah, I mean, I enjoyed making this video a lot. Honestly speaking, I didn't thought that I would be able to pull off 6 freaking looks in one day, but I did. And I am so proud of myself right now. Like, hello. Anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. If you're new over here, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. Let me know which was your favorite look out of all the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me know in the comment section below. I personally loved the first one and the 5th one. Let me know what you loved. So yeah guys, this is all we have for today, and thank you so much CG Beauty for sending me your beautiful, amazing eyeliners. I mean, you all can literally see what magic those eyeliners have done in this entire video. So you can quickly go on their website and shop if you want. And yeah guys, that's it for today. I'll meet you in my next YouTube video. Bye bye.